Paano ba masasabi na ang sequence ay arithmetic? An arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding or subtracting a constant. So, tingnan mo yung 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Di ba 1 plus 3 is 4? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So, ito ay example ng arithmetic sequence. A common difference, or D, is the constant number added to the preceding term of the arithmetic sequence. It can be calculated by subtracting any two consecutive terms in the arithmetic sequence. So therefore, the formula is D is equal to a sub 2 minus a sub 1, or also equal to a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Gusto mo a sub 4 minus a sub 3, or pwede rin siya maging a sub 10 minus a sub 9. Kaya in general, pwede siya maging a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. Kung yung n mo dito ay magiging 10, yung n minus 1 magiging 9. Kung yung n mo dito magiging 100, so yung n minus 1 magiging 99. So, ibig sabihin, ima-minus mo lang yung two consecutive terms in the arithmetic sequence. So, ang magiging formula ng n term of the arithmetic sequence is defined by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d, whereas ang a sub n is the n term, or pwede rin ito maging last term, and then a sub 1 is the first term, then ang n natin is the number of terms, and then yung d is the common difference. So example number 1. So what is the 15th term of the sequence 5, 7, 9, 11 up to infinity? So syempre, ang a sub 1 mo dito is 5. Ang common difference mo, 7 minus 5 ka lang, magiging 2. So since we are looking for a sub 15, ang n mo dito ay magiging equal sa 15. Ang formula ay a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d equals a sub n. Substitute lamang natin yung mga given. So meron kang 5 plus 15 minus 1 multiplied by 2. Pag minus mo ang 15 minus 1, magiging 14, then times ng 2. Okay, so ang 14 times 2 is 28 plus 5. So pag inad mo lang yan, that is only equal to 33. So therefore, a sub 15 is equal to 33. Next, for number 2, what is the 33rd term of the sequence 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and up to infinity? So ano ba yung a sub 1? 32. Ano ba yung common difference? So 40 minus 32, that is equal to 8. Ang hinahanap natin is 33rd term, kaya ang n mo dito is 33. So hinahanap ang a sub 33. So yung formula natin, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d. Substitute uli natin yung given. So a sub 1 is 32, then yung n mo is 33, minus ang 1 times ang 8. Then i-minus mo muna ang 33 minus 1 na magiging equal kay 32. Tapos times ng 8 bago natin i-add by 32. So 32 times 8 is 256. So pag in-add mo yan ng 32, so that is equal to 288. So therefore, a sub 15 is 288.